Yeah.
You got the light on.
I got what light? You didn't turn it off.
Overton, what's going on, bro? Don't forget to double tap the screen and give me that like. How you doing today, Overton? Long time, man. Princess AG. Guys, don't forget to double tap the screen. Everything is doing good, man. How you doing? Been Team Happy. How you guys doing? Welcome, welcome, welcome. Don't forget to double tap the screen to like the video. How you doing? Oh, man. Miss Diva, wagwan. Years now, me not hear from you. You good? Good morning, good morning. Don't forget to double tap the screen. Give me that like on that video. Man. Work on my shop. I said go for all the way. Lord have mercy. Sometimes you just have to thank God you wake up this morning. Like I said, work at something, I don't know, work at something we have to do. And when we do it, we don't see the reward fee. Daddy Cooking, thank you for coming through. Ooh, oh, that tastes nice. I drink some Gatorade. Gatorade grape. Tastes nice. You guys stick around. Marlon, Wagwan, is that you? Team Happy. If you guys stick around, I'll bring you down towards Atlanta. And I have to pass through there to go get where I'm going. Woo! Yo, Marlon, I'm gonna check out the channel real quick. Long time I hear nothing from you. I don't know if Sassy's still there or not. I haven't seen this old school crew in a long time. Oh God. Alan, Sassy at work and I make all the money now. That's why we can't hear from her. Godfrey, Wagwan. Oh boy. Some people drive up, man. Drive up. Yeah, I'm gonna catch up to you. That's better. I need to go around this place. Person in front of me, I drive slow enough, so me jump over the next lane, go around them, and then them speed up. Watch out now, we come back in the lane and them slow down again. Now where they back for that boy. Watch out, all I step on brakes. Now where they back foot. Why them all look for accident? They want somebody running at them. Somebody them all look for running at them. You know what she had? And the phone she got on. A text. Yeah, the temperature not too bad enough. Temperature not too bad, it's gonna warm up. Last week was cold, Atlanta got snow. I was stuck in it for 2 days. Now the sun will come out, it's supposed to be nice today. The whole rest of the week supposed to be nice. A few minutes I'm gonna be going on the famous 85 run through Atlanta, one of 3 highway run through Atlanta. Beauty, blessings, blessings. How you doing? Don't forget to double tap the screen, like the video. Welcome, welcome. Godfrey, I haven't seen you posting no video in a minute, man. What's going on? I gotta go back because some of my notifications don't show up. Glad you could come by. Just here doing a little drive time, right along. So you guys can ride shotgun with me. Okay, okay, Godfrey, okay. Amazing M&G, how you doing? Blessings, blessings, blessings. Don't forget to double tap the screen and like the video, please. And I'm about to enter the famous I-85. Jump over here, so. This highway is notorious for the traffic. It's coming up. Some people step on brakes already. I don't even reach on it yet. Sometimes I wonder about these people. Alright, I'm about to merge on the I-85. There's a vehicle in front of me so slow. Got the same vehicle that got girl was on the phone, texting on our phone. Right now we're in Swanee, Georgia. That one 85, the notorious 85, especially going into Atlanta, as traffic could mush you up. You have to travel on it at the right time. Doing great, we're doing great, M&G. Doing great. Thanks for stopping by. Appreciate it. Good old 85. Marlon, don't forget to use a world traveler, you know. Alright, see how the brake light them are coming now. I wonder if I see in person this man. Steps to see him person while they're on the phone or text. Right next to me, yes, sir. Jeez, I'm pleased. That lady I looked for an accident, huh? And she just stepped on her brake real hard for no reason. That lady I looked for somebody running her. Yes, Miss M&G, we're doing great. We're doing great. I really appreciate you asking. How you doing? Good old I-85. Traffic not too bad today. When I get down towards get into the Atlanta, all trucks, we cannot go through Atlanta. We have to jump on 285 and then go around. I'm going over to I-20. The only time trucks is allowed inside Atlanta unless they're making a delivery. Otherwise from that, we have to go around Atlanta. Alright, driver, alright. Why? Let's see if I can go around him. I don't understand why. right in front of me, come slow down. Lane. Sorry, I was just concentrating on the road. I wasn't watching what the chat was saying. Sassy, I don't know if she's still here or not. She was here in the beginning. Oh, this man here kill me. Go around him. This is where it's gonna start the traffic into Atlanta. I'm about. You see all the brake lights? This is where it starts. Come off of the brake, come off of the brake and drive. Good old Atlanta traffic. I'm 1 hour away from my pickup, but with this traffic is going to be more like 2 hours. This traffic goes all the way back into Atlanta. No, I'm gonna pick up in Covington and bring it down to Valdosta. Last week I went down to Villa Park and that's when we got stuck in that snow. For 2 days. We were stuck on the highway for 2 days in one spot. That ambulance come check on truck drivers and the people who were stuck on the highway. People in go-karts, is it go-karts? No, golf carts driving around, making sure people have water and everything. Ice was real thick, man. It's gonna take me going all the way back to Atlanta. Oh boy, just another day on the highway. I figured rush hour is over, the traffic would die down, but there's always traffic on this on 85 here. Always. Sometimes even on Sundays it's like this. Come on, folks. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. This is ridiculous. Yes, Miss Desna, how you doing today? God bless you. God bless you. Thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to double tap the screen and like the video, please. Traffic ridiculous. Let me zoom out and show you guys. To come out of this lane, but nobody gonna give me the chance. On that, man, I'll take it right now. I'm gonna take it right now. I'm gonna take it right now. Sorry, buddy. Sorry, buddy. Sorry. A typical day on I-85 heading into Atlanta. Typical day. And over to the far left, that's the express lane. You have to pay. That's the easy pass lane or whatever they want to call it. And look how jam up it is. So all those people are paying their money for nothing. Georgia Suburban Homestead, how you doing? How you doing? I like that. I'm on I-85 heading towards 285 over by in Atlanta here. Right now I'm in Lawrenceville heading down. Trying to get over to I-20 East. I'm heading up to Covington, Georgia. Yeah, on the merge because they're doing construction. So, I'm in for a good little ride. The merge from 285 to I-20, they have construction. I think they're rebuilding that whole entire area. See, I can't avoid it because I'm in a big truck, so I can't avoid it. I could run up Covington Highway, but it's going to take too long with all the lights and all those stuff. It is what it is. That's why in this business you have to have patience, which sometimes I don't have. This Saturday I'll be on the road. The following Saturday, I don't have my calendar with me. The following Saturday, this Saturday should be nice too. The following Saturday, I should be free. And the following Saturday, if it's nice too, I'm gonna turn, because I have the chicken manure, I'm gonna turn my soil, which shouldn't take long. Shouldn't take long at all. That's like an hour's work. This Saturday I'll be on the road. This Saturday coming, but the following Saturday, that should be great. Should be great. Because this year I plan to plant a lot of stuff, especially herbs and one piece of herb that I'm interested in is the arugula. Man, I love arugula. Right now I still have my rosemary, big bush, the thyme, the oregano. Those are still in the garden. I think I'm gonna pull up the thyme. And put the thyme next to the oregano. And I'm gonna turn the soil with the rest of the stuff. What I used to do with the chicken manure, I mix it with the sand. What I was gonna do is get a raised bed just for my herbs. I was gonna do that. And there's a place in Alpharetta. I gotta get you. Oh my God! It texts me. I'm gonna send you the name of this place in Alpharetta. When I say they sell everything, you name it, they sell it. When it comes to fruit, trees, exotic fruit trees, everything. I've got to go over there. Yeah, I'm gonna start turning my soil because I have to start getting some seeds ready. So as soon as it turns springtime, I'm gonna put whatever I can put out. The mango tree is blossoming, and it's indoor. It's not really gonna do anything indoor because it's not getting pollinated. I can't bring it out, but I have one more blossom, and I'm gonna get another blossoming from it. They always blossom twice a year. One time indoors and one time outdoors. I'm sorry, I'm paying attention to the road. I wasn't even looking at the chat. 1 second. Can you drive? Yeah, you could go Lawrenceville to to Lawrenceville and yes, yes, yes. I could, but like I said, it's gonna take too long. I could take 316 back to all the way back in the back was to 129. 129 will bring me up there on 20, but it's gonna take too long. Them back roads, it's gonna take way too long. Okay, let me go back down here. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. Let me go back into the chat. Let's go. Yeah, I'm gonna build one. I'm gonna build a raised bed. Chat's running away from me. Yes, you could take Pleasant Farm, Pleasant Hill. I just passed Pleasant Hill back there, 124 to 20. Like I said, the back roads is gonna take too long for me. In a way, okay, the traffic is moving. It's not moving as fast as it should, but and plus my appointment is at 1 o'clock. If you go there early, they're not gonna load you. If you go there like what is it, 20 minutes after your appointment time, they let you wait. So right now my timing is pretty good in traffic to get there. Watch this JB Hunt. It's cutting across the whole highway. No wonder they call you. No wonder you work for JB Hunt. One of the worst companies out there. JK, how you doing, Mama? Blessings. Everybody wants to be a truck driver now. And I know a lot of people went and got their truck driver, their CDL, and they spend 2 months out there and they give it up. They give up. This is not for everybody. This is definitely not for everybody. But the only thing I could tell him advice is go ahead, try it. I've been doing this for 25 years now. Like I said, I've seen them come and go. Some of my coconut water. Ooh. This is good. Seven more miles towards 285. 7.5 more miles. It looks pretty, but it's a little chilly. It's I don't know if this temperature on the truck is right. It's always off. But it's telling me it's 49 degrees out there, 50 degrees out there. You guys use Celsius. Like, move over here. Yeah, the sun is out. It's gonna be as the week goes, goes along. It's gonna be getting warmer and warmer. I think they said Saturday is supposed to be 60 to 65. So, and I'm not even gonna be home this weekend. It's gonna be so nice. It's going to be so nice. Go ahead, young lady. Do your thing. Some of these young ladies out here, man, I give them a lot of respect. Pushing these big trucks. The truck right next to me is a young lady driving it. Red truck. Give them their respect. Yeah. What's nice, the weather or me respecting these young ladies who's out here driving trucks? Come on, buddy. Come on, keep it open up. Open it up. Open it up. Ah, here we go. Brake lights. Brake lights. Brake check. Brake check. Nobody's saying nothing on the CB. Must be on. Yeah. Come on, folks. Yeah, you have to respect them. Because a lot of them out here, and telling you, I'm being honest with you, a lot of these females out here, they do better than some of these males out here. A lot of them. Every time if I see them out here and they need help, I'm always out there helping them, Come on, people, let's do this. Let's do this, people. Keep it moving just like this. Just like this. Beautiful. Keep it moving. Yeah, we have to Hey, sometimes I help them out because simple fact is I don't want them going out there and make a mistake. And from me helping them, I'm probably saving a life. That's how I look at it. I've had drivers from that I helped out from other companies. They still call me up like 5, 6 years now, and they still call me and tell me thanks. We chit chat, chop it up. Hey, buddy, with your oversize. Had that oversized load and you're in the wrong lane. Um, I travel the southeast. I would go from Florida, Alabama, Mississippi, Louisiana, sometimes Texas, sometimes. That's on I-10 coast, and I'll come up I-20 to Mississippi, Alabama, Georgia, South Carolina, North Carolina, and I'll head back down. I just do that. It's like a triangle, and I'll do within that triangle. Try to stay out of all this. I'm tired of going to places with snow and mountains, and I'm just tired of it. So I do south, what they would call southeast region. Okay, with over in this country, you have a 14-hour day. Out of that 14-hour, you can drive 11 hours out of that 14-hour. But start driving within the first 8 hours, you have to take a half-hour break. Your clock will give you 8 hours, and when you take a half-hour break, within that 8 hours, you'll get back the rest of your hours to make up the 11. So in trucking now, the rules are you have to take a half-hour break within the first 8 hours of driving. Let me show you something here. I'm gonna quickly show you something. This is our clock. We run off of a clock. And if you get pulled over and your hours are wrong or a mistake is made on your hours, they will shut you down and give you a fat ticket. So we have to do everything right. Hey, listen. There's ways of doing it. Trust me. Even there's drivers out here who have to pee every half hour. You know. They have like a special note from their doctor and all that. So instead of giving them a load that'll take 5 hours, they'll give them a load that takes longer to deliver. You know, they have ways to work around it. Oh my God. That was a good one. That was a good one. Oh my God. Okay, let me explain now. They have a thing called, you could get it in any drugstore, a pharmacy, probably even Walmart or other places, most likely. It's called a pee bottle. We use a pee bottle. They have places at the truck stop where you could get rid of your pee bottle. They have traveling toilets too. We have one in here, but that's for strictly emergencies. Strictly. Like for example, we were stuck on 285 on 75 last week from Tuesday night at 10 o'clock until Wednesday evening 4. That would have been a situation for emergency, but we didn't have to. We didn't have to use it. That's how they drive. That's how they drive. Trust me. All right. Let me see if I can get into the other lane. He's coming down on me too fast. Not gonna be able to do it. Come on, give me a break. 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 And there it is. This. Nice. It always happens when you move into a lane. The one you got out of, always start moving. Yes, we are. To be honest with you, we are. This is part of Tucker. We are in Atlanta right now. Yes, this is Atlanta. And the reason why you see so much traffic now and all the trucks are to the right, we cannot go straight to Atlanta unless we're delivering a load. I said that earlier. There's a go around, which is called 285 trucks. Like, see that truck over there? He's gonna try to squeeze over last minute, or you probably have a delivery in Atlanta, but there's no big trucks allowed on the freeway, on the highway in Atlanta, unless they have a bill of lading said that they deliver it in Atlanta. A lot of drivers cheat and try to go through. But if they get caught, Tuba Chat, how you doing? Welcome, my brother. Tuba Chat is from Canada. Yeah, if they get caught, that fine is huge. That guy just passed me. He's gonna go all the way down and move over. Last minute. Yep, put a signal on to move over. this is Atlanta, people. When I get on to 285, I'll be entering Tucker. After Tucker is Decatur. Yeah. Got a ticket a year ago on 285 being in the wrong lane. Well, they claim it wasn't a ticket. They claim it was just a warning, but the point still goes on your license, so it's a ticket. The only thing you have to pay. Come on, baby. Thank you. Appreciate it. Yes, we're in Tucker, Georgia now. When I exit this 285 to get onto 20 East, that's Decatur, Georgia. That's okay. KK, if you're still here, I think Nick said he had some form of family over here in Decatur, Georgia. If I remember right. People, don't forget to double tap the screen and so you can like this video. Thank you. Appreciate it. 44 minutes away from my destination. Would be in that left lane, but the sign says no trucks, and that's when they got me for. If they catch that guy in that lane, he can get a ticket. No, I was just saying, Nick said one day on your chat, he said he had family over here in Decatur, Georgia. All right, folks, I'm going to end this. The office is calling me, my dispatcher, so I have to see what she wants. So I really appreciate you guys stopping by, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.